Hi, I'm Kellen Bryant, and I am an elder law attorney here in Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm going to answer the question, when is the appropriate time to seek legal advice for your parent if he or she is going to assisted living in Florida? That was a mouthful, but I want to explain when's the best time to go to get legal advice. And the answer, without hopefully sounding self-interested, is as soon as possible, because there's three key points of legal issues that an attorney can help you cover and address before you move into assisted living. The first point is to make sure that the caregiver, family member, son, or whomever has power of attorney in case the parent needs somebody acting on their behalf for financial and medical decisions. So usually the need arises for assisted living if you have a parent that's slowing down or might need care and assistance from others. And associated with that is maybe their mental faculties are declining. If you don't have a power of attorney and healthcare surrogate and your parent cannot sign it or have legal capacity to sign it, you could be in a very, very expensive guardianship mess if those documents are not correctly done by an elder law attorney. So it's very important to make sure at a baseline those are done, and you should know that it's not a horrible big production to get those done. Those should always be looked at before moving into assisted living. Point number two that you need to address with an attorney is what to do at the house, the home, if your parent owns their home. Now we have a couple options that you may be thinking about what to do to the home. You can either sell it, you can rent it out, or you could do neither. Let it sit empty. So depending on what you want to do, or how things work out with assisted living and your level of care, that could guide the discussion. Also can guide discussion about how long your parents own the house. There could be tax issues, and if we're selling the house, there could be Medicaid issues, where the cash proceeds can affect Medicaid eligibility. So these are the discussions that you should be having with an elder law attorney before you do anything with the house when you're moving into assisted living. Number three, and the last main point I want to make, the reason why to work with an elder law attorney before moving to assisted living is in some cases where there is a larger sum of assets. I define a larger sum of assets for somebody looking into assisted care as over $100,000 in investable assets, not including the house. In that case, there could be some instances, if it's even higher than $100,000, that if your parent needs nursing care, that you're going to have to spend a lot of that money on nursing care before you can stop the outflow of money on a nursing care, which can go up to $9,000, $10,000 a month, depending on where you live in Florida. So it's very important to talk about asset protection trusts early on because of the Medicaid look-back period of 5 years. The asset protection trusts are there to protect important tax benefits and protect the money from the nursing home and Medicaid. So if you have any more questions, feel free to continue watching my videos or going to my website or blog, and thank you very much for watching.